I promise you, Range Rover, this is for you.
Okay.
This is for you.
All right.
Peace.
Out. We out. Hey. Man say Range Rover is for me. Be a lie. Me say me lie like sure. So people, today we are doing something different. Today we are going on the road. Okay, today we are going to do a vlog. We're going to test out the equipment and make sure we say everything alright. First thing we have to do, we have to dress like we have money. So as you can see, you know, check out the shoes. Alright, Louis V. We have to make sure we wear the Louis V and we wear the Rolex. Alright, so the reason why I wear them things are because I'm going to try to scam a car company. When I say scam them, I not take nothing from them. Basically, I'm going to go to the car company today and I'm going to just drive some nice car today. I always tell you say it's good to drive car foreign and you can go any car mart and drive car. So basically today, I just go on car mart and tell them be a lie as to why I want to drive the nicest car them have. And I'm going to come up with the most outrageous lie them to. So follow us, hey, make sure to subscribe because them vlog you go more often, you know. Alright, we're out of here.
Why we can't leave it?
What? So, oh no, I'm not shit yet. I'm not shit yet. We can't go nowhere yet. When we use the bathroom and thing.
Yeah.
So hold on. Tell the God truth. We're not gonna use shit. So, poo-poo. You know, make sure say me poo-poo before me left my yard. You know. I don't know what you do. But when them thing they catch me on road, last time them thing they catch me on road, brother, I have to stop at Chipotle. Now buy nothing, brother. I'm gonna stop and
say use public bathroom.
Rascal, you can't want to shit up yourself.
Alright, people.
Nah, shit up myself.
Oh God.
One thing me not do is shit up myself. I don't think you'll ever actually see me yard yet or see anything. But this is a little sneak peek. You know? So the first thing we're gonna do today, we're gonna go to the door. We're gonna make sure so we have the light them on point. I have to make sure so my accent on point for the light them. So you know what, today I'm gonna be twanging and stuff. I'm gonna be using my American accent and stuff. You know, come in man, make way. I remember which floor my park on. But yeah. We're gonna road today. Believe me. I'm trouble later. Excited dog. Go in our parking lot. You know? Make sure say. Sometimes you forget where you park, you know. So here we have a scam them now. Oh, we have to scam them. Them already see you with nice cars, so them are gonna assume say you have the money to drive the expensive car what them have. So all is well. You know? All is well. Alright, so people, first stop, we got a Range Rover. And I feel like I want to drive a new range. So you see if them have the 2023 range, and that one them I gonna make them think in my price range. So I'm gonna show you how to actually sell a dream. So come in, we are going to road. Patrol they are foreign. Wait till I tell them people there's some story. Hello? Very nice. Huh?
Yes, how can I help you?
I'm interested in a Range Rover.
Okay, welcome to Land Rover with Woodland Hills. How are you? My name is Bijan. What's your name?
Thank you. I'm Dale.
Dale.
Oh, so I'm sorry. I'm a YouTuber, so.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah. No problem.
So I'm looking for I'm expecting a son,
Okay.
so I want a more
Sure,
SUV
sure.
kind of car.
We have. You mean you want something like a Defender, or you want?
Nah,
Some,
this is crazy.
how about the one outside?
No, I want the normal Range Rover.
Okay, I have a few outside if you want to come with me.
Yes.
I have this beauty here. This is the only car that we have at this point.
What do you mean? This is the only Range
That's
Rover?
the only Range Rover that we have.
What year is this?
2023, the new model.
This is the 2023 one?
Correct.
This the one that can go up and down with the.
All the Range Rover goes up and down. The full size,
But
the
this
sport.
this is like the full package one, right?
Correct. It's a V8 autobiography. It's a 7-seater. It's a long wheelbase as well. You see how long it is in the back? It has the third row seat as well.
My friend was telling me about like the Velar.
Uh-huh. Velar is
So
next door.
it's kind of cheaper.
It's less expensive. We don't call cheaper. It's a less expensive.
It's less expensive.
This is the Velar.
This one?
The white one is open. You can see inside.
This one?
Yes.
This is small.
Which one? It's start 62, 63,000. Yeah.
These are brand new cars.
Those are all brand new cars. And then the white one, it's 178,000.
So that's way out of my.
That's the highest ranked Range Rover.
Okay. So I cannot afford that. I'm not even gonna lie on camera. I cannot afford that.
How about the Beyond one?
I'm trying to stay at around 70.
Then we're gonna go this way.
That's where.
Sure.
Yeah. So let me take my mind off of that. Is this cheaper?
It's more expensive.
I like the interior. Black one that was for 62.
Yeah.
Give me a camera.
It's stuck. I have to get the keys.
Oh, they're all closed? Okay. I'd like to see this one.
Let me grab the key. Okay.
Alright, thanks. So yo. Alright, so after telling a bag a lie, the one for 170, we can still drive it, you know. But it was too much. You know them way there? Don't buy a Range Rover for 170 grand. Madness. And I don't know how good the cameraman was, cause him never really did close like him should have did the close. But we are gonna drive that carrier right now. We are gonna put the cameraman in the back seat, and we are gonna just tell a bag of lie when me and him in the car drive. Can me tell him say I have 300,000 subscribers, but me I think ahead, so I don't really lie me lying.
We are speaking it in,
We are speaking it to beat, so to make sure you subscribe. And me just tell his boys that I have 300,000 subscribers. I tell him say I have 5 million followers on Instagram. I tell him say I make a bag of money. So I tell him, man, you know them say stop the cap. I'm wearing one. Stop what? The people them see car. Alright. This better. The interior better. This feel like a better car. It might not as big, but a car I feel like it can actually work. Oh look, I'm looking at Velar.
Look like you're ready to take it.
Cap me a cap, you know, me tell him say yo, me have a me I expect a son. And me need a bigger car now, like a 4-seater car. Not 4-seater, but a bigger car. So I just be like me, I tell him, he might try to sell me the car for 170,000. The reason why he might try to sell me it, people, because he don't really understand. LA is a place with a bag of people who are fake. So you don't really know who have money up here. So because so much people have money, him see me and him automatically think me have money. And that's why I'm showing you the power of Instagram or YouTube or vlogging, because over here, so when they do them thing, it will profitable. So I know like Jamaica where a man will look down upon you. Over here, me walk in a Range Rover, him have to take me serious. Because him no know if me really I go buy the car or not. Because 9 times out of 10 people over here will do them thing here, have money to buy them car here. So him a go treat me with respect and say, yeah man, you see man I try to sell me a $170,000 car. Cup on me. Me didn't even have $170,000. Where fuck me I get $170,000 from? But me I sell a dream though, cause me capping today.
On kind of where it's at. I'm gonna get you a seat right up over here.
That's weird.
Or there you go. I'm the front desk, so I'll get you hooked up at the front desk.
Yeah.
Was it on a 4-cylinder or was it on a 6-cylinder?
I didn't really know much about it because he was busy.
Okay. And which color was it? Was it a black one?
Was it black?
Okay.
And I'm trying to stay under a certain amount of money.
Okay. And what monthly were you thinking exactly? You know, approximately.
Honestly,
Just so I got an idea. So as I'm working it
like
up.
under 1,000.
Okay.
It don't have to be all the way, but
Well, I mean, you're right about
like,
there. I can tell
I can
you.
be like about there is good.
And do you have how many miles per year do you think is good? Like, is 12,000 miles a year okay?
Sure, this is my girlfriend. She's driving.
She's gonna drive it more. Okay. You got good purpose. So, do you have any other cars right now that are
Yeah.
in your name?
Yeah.
How many like auto loans? The average down payment for that lease is around 5,000 down. Is that all right?
5,000. Is it dependent on credit or that's just what? Is it?
It's kind of an average. I mean,
Okay.
maybe we could work it this way. Do you know what your credit score is right now?
Yeah.
Okay, so would you say above average, probably above 700 or right about
Yeah.
there? Okay.
This don't have to go on it. Yeah, I'm above.
Exactly, that's why we stop there like also. So you can chop that up.
Because if I'm being honest, I'm trying to see. I'm looking at this, and I'm looking at. Because you guys don't have other cars. I'm trying to find a Porsche. I'm trying to choose between this or a Macan.
Okay.
We just need another car,
I think some heartbreak just went right there.
right?
I think you just broke a bunch of hearts right there.
Gee, no, I'm not. I'm not buying my girlfriend a car. You know. We are expanding.
All right, cool. And your first name?
Dale.
Okay. So it shows you that would be on the Velar, 66,000, and that's tax included, LA County tax.
Kill him dead, you know. Yeah, man. Kill him dead, me I buy. So, can I test drive this one?
Yeah, absolutely. And yeah, you move for a ride? Absolutely. Let's do it.
I like spend money now. I like do it at especially when I not had to spend the money. Kill them dead. I like do it though. Nice and pretty. You gonna open the trunk?
I'm gonna pull off the hood pad for you.
Oh.
I got it for you.
First of all, we now pull off no wood pad. What do you call it? Wood. This is the 4-cylinder, right?
4-cylinder.
Dog, I say, I pull off the wood pad. Me can't believe him. Imagine people, me not buying nothing, you know? Not buying anything, you know? You see how people can't waste people time though. Don't make man waste your time. Woman, see how man waste woman time? Can watch it. Yeah, man. $5,000 down, $1,287 payment per month. Cat.
Absolutely.
Backseat, go in the back. Can you turn the music off?
Absolutely.
Alright. Now,
2023 Range Rover Velar. This is the R Dynamic package, has all the premium upgrades. So you're,
what's the real difference between this and the bigger one?
well, size. So
nice.
this is actually their first Range Rover Evoque. Started with the style. Velar is the next concept that Range Rover bought. So this actually was their first concept car that they brought to market. They stretched the vehicle out and made it a very modern look for handling and performance for someone who might not do a lot of off-road.
Yes.
And a tremendous door lines. That was very much part of their concept presentation. The normal sport utility doesn't have as high of a door line. So this gives you a real type of futuristic, modern ride for Range Rover. Full-size Range Rover is a bigger car, a little bit bigger engine, and well, you got foot on the brake, and then yeah, so you just got to hold in the knob.
Okay. Oh, I wasn't holding it.
There you go.
I'm trying to see what's like the big difference between this and. I like this for size-wise.
You know, you think about for the dollars.
Yeah.
You think about Range Rover at this price point, we're considerably right now full-size Range Rover at 160, 170.
Yeah, I think that was insane.
Then you've got Range Rover Sport models at 90 to 100,000. This is a tremendous car for the 60s. And it's really probably Range Rover's #1 selling car based on price point and style. And again, it's a real global market.
Cause you know what's funny? I was telling my friend, I'm like, I want to go get a Range Rover, and he was like, oh, you know, you
We'll
probably.
go right here.
He's like, you probably seeing the Evoque. He's like, you're probably seeing the Evoques. That's probably the one. Not the Evoques.
You can just go
these.
straight. The Velar,
Yeah, he's like, you're probably seeing the Velars, cause I just said to him, I'm like, yo, 170 grand. He's like, oh no, you look. I have the Velar.
Yeah.
So that was the difference.
You know, all your different vehicle settings and a dual screen here. So you've got on-road performance, dynamic modes. In addition to that, you have all of your stream, all of your music, everything attached here. And
It says CarPlay.
CarPlay, interactive driver displays where you can actually pull the information over into the dash cluster if, you know, based on your vehicle settings and preferences.
This is not a TV monitor, right? You can't.
You know, not in the U.S.
No, just asking.
Yeah, no, but I mean in other countries I think they have chips that they can modify and you can stream video and whatnot and content. But in the U.S. they have so much regulation and safety.
Is this like
That's for climate control.
Is it seat massaging?
You've got heated seats. So you got heated seats, so that's all the way hot. Yeah, so that's just if you wanted to have heated seats on. And then this is vehicle settings here, and then you have your home settings and different aspects of what you can be looking at. You've got 360 camera views, so for parking, for seeing what's around you, especially in Los Angeles.
I live right down the street, honestly. I don't want to tell him my name, but no, in terms of like, I'm not far from here.
No problem, right here in the valley.
Yeah, literally Woodland Hills.
That's good. All right, we're ready to rock and roll.
So we're just going around the block, right?
Yeah, you can take it down all the way down, and then we'll make a loop back around, take it down to
Ventura.
DeSoto.
Yeah,
DeSoto, yeah. Smooth, huh?
The thing is, my car is low.
Yeah.
It's not really I drive the S550, but it's lower. I like that I'm like up here.
Range Rover calls that their command drive position. So very upright seating. You've got specific castellations in the hood to give you great peripheral vision, and you really feel like you've got a view. And I'll tell you what, with these high door lines, you feel like you're kind of secure and tucked in. It's very private. It's very modern.
Yeah. It's nice and it's comfortable too.
It is. Sure it is. They glide.
Yeah, I cannot. It feels.
And that's where the difference is when you go to drive the BMW and when you go to drive the Porsche. You're going to hear more road noise. You're going to have you're going to feel the road. You're going to have more vibrations. The Range Rovers are very much dampening sound and dampening the ride. So you really do feel a superior ride in so many ways.
Are these like
In-term transfer all your interests, because once you own one, I think you'll always be my client.
That's the thing. Like all my friends that have driven Range Rovers, they just
continue.
They just drive another Range Rover.
So and you got to have somebody that, like me, that's been 20 years plus with this brand to continue working things out, letting you know what's new, getting you to all the events, all the galas, all the the different stuff. I mean, you're somebody we want in the car.
This is nice. Now you're selling me. I know that. And this is actually these driving very nice.
It's a car every time you come out to it. It feels good to come out to it. It doesn't wear off. Sometimes you buy new cars and that new car excitement, it dissolves. It disappears. With Range Rover, it doesn't. That's something you're always excited to go out and share with, in your situation, your fiance, your little sphere of influence, your entourage, your people. It's like, hey, it's a car that you'll enjoy owning. It's worth the money.
Oh, we only got 2 miles before it stops though, because there's no gas in it.
We'll be back.
Copyright me.
And then you can.
I can.
Topanga will go right.
I can't just turn right here.
Yeah, turn right. Yeah.
It's funny. I recently moved up here from West Hollywood.
Uh-huh.
I've been here like a year now, and when I tell you, it's so much better.
Yeah, it is.
Woodland Hills, it's so much better. That's what I love about it.
Look, check it out. I sold Ziggy. I sold all the Marleys. I sell everyone their cars, man.
You want me to give you a joke? That's my uncle.
Ah!
Yep.
I used to be over at the LA store.
Yeah, the one.
The one in Los Angeles.
Yeah, we even recently just moved the one from. We had one in Woodland Hills. There's a reggae store in Woodland Hills. The one in the Topanga Mall. We just closed it.
And you know what's funny
It's a
is
small world.
I'm a big surfer.
You surf too?
And a couple of my surfboards have the Tough Gong.
That's good. Support us.
The emblem on it on my surfboards.
You should try our CBDOs.
I listen to the radio station on Sirius XM.
Yeah.
The Tough Gong radio. And but anyways, your uncle, I just did. It was for their daughter. God, who got the last one?
Hey, trust me, it's a lot of kids.
Yeah, I know, there is. A couple months ago. That wasn't long ago.
It's a small world.
Yeah,
small world. You know what today is?
I don't.
Today's my grandfather's birthday.
Ah, how about that, apples?
Yeah,
Right
today's Bob Marley's birthday.
That's sweet.
Small world.
And you know what's funny? And here that fool wasn't even giving you good service. I'll tell you something, man. I just kept it real.
Happens.
I just kept it real.
Small world. So what I'm gonna do?
Here.
I'm still gonna go down to Porsche.
You should.
Drive the Porsche.
You should.
But it's nice meeting you, man.
You're good peeps.
Yeah,
Dale, you're good peeps.
All right, pick up yourself. Thanks,
I
man.
promise you, Range Rover,
It's
this
better.
is for you.
Okay.
This is for you.
All right.
Peace.
Out. We out. Hey. Man say, Range Rover is for me. Be a lie. Me say me lie like sure. Tell a man boy related to Bob Marley. Hey, big up yourself, Bob. But just make you listen to me. You see when you have locks, a Bob Marley thing there. Bob Marley and my uncle. Yeah man, whole heap away. Big up yourself anyway there, Ziggy. Thanks for that. Don't cry. We'll go somewhere else now. Later.